Natural DIY Hair Masks, a comprehensive guide. Imagine transforming your hair with simple ingredients from your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the magical world of natural DIY hair masks. Get ready for healthier, shinier, and stronger hair without stepping into a salon.
Chapter 1: How to use a hair mask. Before we get into the recipes, let's talk about how to use a hair mask properly to get salon-like results. Step 1. Start with clean hair. Shampoo your hair to remove any buildup and prep your strands for maximum absorption.
Step 2. Apply the mask generously from mid-length to the ends. If you're targeting scalp issues, massage it gently into the scalp as well.
Step 3. Leave the mask on for 10 to 30 minutes. Follow the instructions or experiment to see what works best for you.
Finally, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to lock in that hydration. Easy, right? Chapter 2. DIY Hair Mask Recipes. Now the fun part, let's whip up some natural hair masks that your hair will love.
Recipe 1. Banana hair mask. First up, the banana hair mask for deep hydration, shine, and frizz control. Blend the one ripe banana into a smooth puree, no lumps allowed. Mix in 1 tablespoon honey and 1 tablespoon olive oil, then apply evenly from roots to tips. Pop on a shower cap, chill for 20 to 30 minutes, and rinse with lukewarm water. Your hair will thank you.
Recipe 2. Yogurt or hair mask. Next, the yogurt hair mask for scalp cleansing, strengthening, and hair growth. 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon honey, 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Mix these into a smooth paste, then apply to damp hair. Massage your scalp gently. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes under a shower cap and rinse with cool water.
Recipe 3. Egg hair mask. Need a protein boost? Try the egg hair mask to reduce breakage and add shine. 1 whole egg, whisk until frothy, mix in 1 tablespoon olive or almond oil and 1 tablespoon honey and apply evenly. Cover with a shower cap, leave for 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water.
Remember, no hot water or you'll have scrambled eggs in your hair.
Recipe 4. Avocado hair mask. For deep moisture and damage repair, the avocado hair mask is your best friend. Mash the 1 ripe avocado until smooth. Mix with 1 tablespoon coconut oil and 1 tablespoon honey. Then apply to clean, damp hair. Focus on the mid-lengths and ends, leave for 30 minutes, and rinse thoroughly.
Chapter 3. Pro Tips for DIY Masks. Here are some pro tips to make your DIY hair mask experience even better. 1. Blend ingredients smoothly to avoid hard-to-remove clumps. 2. Use masks once or twice a week for consistent results. 3. Always do a patch test before using new ingredients. 4. Cover your hair with a shower cap to enhance absorption. 5. For masks with eggs or yogurt, rinse with cool water to prevent curdling.
Chapter 4. Wrap up. Your hair deserves the best, and these natural DIY masks offer a safe, affordable way to nourish and transform your locks. So, grab those kitchen ingredients and let your hair shine like never before.
Next video, fruit enzymes for gentle exfoliation, December 31st, 2024.
If you loved this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. See you in the next video, fruit enzymes for gentle chemical exfoliation.